Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a vacation Google Maps video trend in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, you need to download this Google Earth application on your phone. And after you have downloaded and installed this application on your phone, you just need to open this application. And then after this Google Earth application has been opened, you can search the location you have visited in your vacation. You can click on the search button on the top left, and I'm just going to search for this beach. Okay, and you have to record this video. We're going to use this video to create a vacation Google Maps video trend in CapCut. You can go to your CapCut application and import the Google Earth video we have just recorded. Click on new project, and then I'm just going to import this video, guys. Okay, all right, and after that you have to import your vacation video. I'm going to click on this plus button, and then I'm going to import this video. Okay, and I'm going to crop it, guys. Alright, and we have to add the transition to our clips. Click on this transition button and select the pull in transition, this one. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a vacation Google Maps video trend in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.